All right, so a lot of people have been asking me how much did you pay for your Mustang and what are your monthly payments. So that's what I might be talking about in this video. If you're new, subscribe, make sure you hit that like button and comment down below if you have a Mustang. All right, so keep in mind, this is not the premium package. This is the base model. I was actually looking at a premium package, which was the 10-speed. I could have got that one as well, but I didn't want to because I prefer the manual transmission over the 10-speed any day. So yeah, this is the base model, but the total MSRP for this one, I believe it came out to like $35,509, which is not bad for being just the base model and not the premium package. All right, so monthly payments, I am looking at $530 a month. And keep in mind, I am 21. That was with the 730 credit score that I walked into the dealership, which is not too bad. You know, it's not too low, but it's not like up there. So that kind of helped me out as well, because I didn't have to give a down payment to this car because of my credit score. So that kind of worked out for me. So yeah, I say this is probably one of the most affordable muscle cars you can get on the market, to be honest. Aside from like Camaros, Chargers, Challengers, you know, whatever. And it's also a very good looking car, fast, you know, for being stock. I mean, personally, I think it's fast for just being stock, even though at some points I do think it's kind of slow. But eventually, you know, it will get up there like to the high power for sure, and that's my plan. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like this video, and stay tuned because this car is about to go crazy. Also, because I am going to be wrapping this car, so I'm going to need your guys' opinions on what color I should do it and if I should keep the stripes or get rid of them. So yeah, let me know.